Hey, what's up guys? Matt Steffanina here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a dance to BTS Dynamite. I'm so excited to be back, and I'm actually in my dining room right now because all the studios in LA are closed down, so it's reminding me of when I first started the channel and had to film my tutorials in all kinds of crazy places on a tripod. But a lot of you guys have been asking me if I'm still going to make YouTube tutorials now that we have DNCR Academy, and the answer is yes. But the reason that I started DNCR Academy and that I've been putting so much time and energy into it is because I realized that when you're learning a routine on YouTube, you just learn one piece of choreography, right? And then you practice it and you do it, and then maybe like a new song comes out a couple months later and you like that song, so you learn that piece and then you do it. And it's fun, but it's not necessarily the best way to train and grow. So with DNCR Academy, there's tutorials getting uploaded regularly, and they're not just random one-off pieces, they're actually courses that follow different difficulties and progress with you. So whatever level you're at, there's a path for you to be able to train and grow. And I'm also able to bring in a lot of different instructors to help you guys in different styles that I don't do. But the most important part of DNCR Academy is the community group. And that's where we're all in a private chat and we can post our videos. I can give you guys feedback. We have live streams where I answer questions. You guys can talk to each other and support each other. And that's what's so hard about training on your own. And I know because when I started training, I was literally in my basement. But when you look at the videos that I post from out here in LA, you see all these amazing dancers like in groups together and training together and pushing each other. And that's what we've created online for you guys. And that's why this platform is so amazing. And I'm on it every day just watching everyone's videos and getting inspired myself as a teacher because I'm seeing how fast you guys are growing. So if you want to be part of our dance family, go check out dncr.com. I'm still going to be here as much as possible giving you guys tutorials on YouTube as well. But it really is something so special and something I'm so proud to have you guys a part of. So what we're going to be doing today is learning some sections of BTS, and I'm going to teach you the two main group sections. These are my favorite parts. They're super fun. They were originally choreographed for 5 people, so there's a couple parts where I'm going to give you guys an option for something to do solo, or if you're with a group, whether it's 2, 3, 5, or 10, you can do it with your group as well. So if you guys are ready, let's get to the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm going to be teaching you the 2 group sections, and these sections are both really fun. Now, this first one starts off with this part where I control the guys like this. Now, if you have a group of, even 3 works, 5, anything like that, you can do exactly what we did. And all I did was put my hands out, and then we made this box. And then from here, we're all going to do the same thing. You're going to tick to the right, and then you're going to straighten this out, and then you're going to knock your head and your hands down and up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes 5 and 6, and you just hop together, 7, and then you're gonna go ooh, ooh, and they say ooh, ooh in the music. So, and 8, and you're gonna keep this left hand here, because from here you're gonna turn your head to the side, whoop, then you're gonna grab your shoulder, and you're gonna turn your body to the side. And when you do this, it's like your elbow swings and then it pulls your whole body, and you'll see how at the end of it, my feet go right, left. So my left foot's in front, and that's really important because this arm is going to circle back and it's going to pull that leg in and lock it into place. So the whole time you want to keep this hand attached to your shoulder. Then you're going to step forward on your right foot. Your left hand is going to go out like this. So right foot, left hand, zoom. You're just going to twist and go bop, bop with your heels to the front. Then you're going to cross your hands and pull that right foot in as your hands come across your chest. So one more time. Stepping forward on my right, I go bop, bop, ta, ta. Then I'm gonna go right, left, and just bring this up really clean. Then all we're gonna do here, it's kind of like Nene, Dougie kind of walk, if you remember that throwback. You're just gonna go right, left, ah, ah, and you're gonna stick that and kind of double it twice up. So this whole section from the top, I'm gonna go back to doing this version for you. 6, 7, 8, we're hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going 5 and 6 and 7, whoop, whoop. You turn your head, shoulder, and whoop, pull it in. This is 5 and 6 and 7, top, top. 1, 2, ging, ging. Hey, so make sure when you're doing this piece, there's only a couple of 8s so far, but we have to really make sure that we're sharp on all the clean parts. So for instance, when you come from here, this has to go clean, like really stick that sharp, and then boom, boom. Make sure your arms go out nice and strong so that when you go down on this groove, it feels really lazy and chill and it has that vibe that we want, right? If you're like 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. See how it's all kind of the same energy? It doesn't have the same effect as pop, pop, woo, hey, and then really lazy, king, king, hit that double right there. Cool? So now that you got that part, let's just finish it. The last 8 count of this section. You did ding, ding, you hit that twice. From here, you're gonna circle this arm twice and pull that left foot behind. Then you're gonna catch up here. It's like you're holding a baseball bat. You're gonna throw it down across your body, up over your head, and then feet together and bring this down. So we have to pick up our energy a little bit, right? This is kind of like chill, chill, and then we're gonna go zoom, zoom, ga, boom, ha. So nice and full out there. Then last part, then we're gonna go back slow. You're just gonna go 1 and in. So we're making these lines really clean again, these diagonals, nice and strong, and I'm just going heel, heel, back, back. So I'm going heel, heel, in, then I'm gonna grab my right elbow with this left hand, and this is the hands, just the arms first. You're gonna go around and up and point to the sky. Now, what makes this look good is don't let your arm do this, right? Our arm is gonna stay really still to the elbow. The only part that's really moving is our forearm. So when I grab it, whoop, it's like a pinwheel. It goes around and then through, and then I can drop my left arm as I point out. All my feet are doing after D, I'm just going right foot, and then I bring my left foot in. And there's like a little swivel with it so that you kind of end up on a diagonal here. So when we put that together, it's pull through. As that left foot steps in, you're pointing all the way up. Good, so let's just try that last section from this groove and put that together. 7, 8, you hit 1, 2, double. Here you go, circle and bop, and throw, and a D, da, whoop, and up. And you can watch that go because it's gonna set you up for the chorus, which we're gonna learn in a second. But let's go from the top all the way up to there. You guys are doing great. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, D. 1 and 2 and 3. Pull it in. 5 and 6 and clean. Top. 1, 2, double. Here, a D, whop, and throw, and whop. A top, and whoop. Hey. All right, that's that whole section. Let's go a little faster, just so you're ready for the music, and then we'll go on to the chorus. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Going 1, 2, 3, 4. Tilt and down and zoom, ga. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Zoom, tee, tap, boom, boom. Hey. 1, 2, dot, and a doom, ga, boom, ha. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and chill. 7, 8. All right, so now that you guys got that section down, we're gonna learn the chorus, which is my favorite part of the dance. It's super easy, and it's gonna start with 2 8 counts of the running man, which is this step, which you've probably seen a million times. And then we're gonna go into some other footwork and shuffling. Now, if you wanna learn more about shuffling, Vanesa, my friend who's in this video as well, she actually did a full course on dncr.com, taking you from the very, very basics all the way up through learning choreography, putting together combinations, and even being able to freestyle as a shuffler. And I've actually gone through the course like 5 times myself. I think it's absolutely amazing, and it's helped me so much. So if you guys want to learn more about shuffling, footwork, all that cool kind of stuff, make sure you check out her course on DNCR. Now, the first part of this, like I said, is 2 8 counts of the running man. So that can get a little bit boring, but what we did in the video is we actually rotated it, doing the same step the whole time, and it makes this really cool illusion. And shout out to the Williams fan, because this is their shuffling concept. It's been going super viral everywhere on Instagram, on TikTok, so make sure you guys check them out as well. Now, if you don't have 5 people to rotate the running man like we did, you can take the same concept with 2 people, and you can just rotate your running mans around each other and back. But you might also be doing this video solo. Don't worry, I got you too. All we're gonna do is, for the 2 8 counts, the first 8 count is gonna be the running man. So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you're gonna switch to a Charleston for the second 8 count. So your right foot's gonna come in front, then left, then you're gonna double the right, then back, then double the right, yeah? So it's right, left, double, A, and back, double A. And I ran out of space, but you won't. So when you guys do this, you want to make sure you add a little bit of an arm to it, add some energy. Now, from here, for the next 2 8s, all the choreography is the same, whether you're doing it by yourself or with a group, so don't stress. You're going to step on your right foot. You're going to go right arm up. You're going to go da, da. So this is 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, and then you're going to pull that elbow down and lean to your right, and then you're going to hop into the center. So this is 7, 8. You go ta, ta, elbow click. And the rhythm, I'm going to probably mess up the lyrics, so don't hate me, but it's something like shining through the city. So it's kind of quick there. 7, 8, shining through the city. You're going to take your right leg and go cross. So I'm going doom da. And then I'm going to take it back out to prep it down. So I can go left, right, left. And on that left, I'm going to turn around. So sort of similar to what we did earlier, but this time I'm using my arms for this groove. So I'm going left, right, and then when I step on my left, I'm going to swoop around. I'm going to pick this knee up so that I can go into 2, just 2 this time, 2 running mans, right and left. So let's get that whole 8 count. 7, 8, you're going shining through the city with the little ta-ta, woo. So, wop, wop. And it's really important that you use that leg for momentum in that turn so that you can go woo, woo, ha, yeah, and jump into it. And that's one of those parts that can be a little sloppy, a little out of control. You just want to make sure boom, you land really hard on that 1, nice and clean. So last part, let's finish it up. You did 1, 2. You're just going to pick your right knee up. You're going to take your heel across. Then you're going to pick your left knee up. Shoot, same step, across. Then last thing that you're going to do is the same idea, but you're going to go right heel, left heel. So my right heel does tap, tap, and then I switch, left heel tap, tap, and then you go body roll up to lock that in there. And that's it. That's the whole chorus. So great job learning it. Let's go back slowly from this whole part and put it together. So you have 7, 8. This is shining through the city with the little geek turn. Whoop. 1 and 2 and heel and tap, 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 scoom and whop. Good. So at first, some of this footwork might be a little tricky for you. I know it was for me to control that, especially when it gets faster. So just take your time with it, put in some practice, work on Vanesa's tutorials, all that stuff will help you get it, and you'll be able to kill it in no time. So let's go a little faster, same spot, and we're gonna put it from the top. 6, 7, 8, you go shining through the whoop high with the little geek whoop. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tap, 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 7, 8, 8. All right, guys, should we try from the very top? All the sections together? I think so. Let's get it. So what you're gonna have after you do this, shoom wop, you're gonna have 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, bop. So if you're doing the sections together like by yourself, fill that in. Go 5, 6, and either do something with your camera like we did, or if you're just filming it on a tripod, go 5, 6, 7, 8, and just fill that space going into that first running man. All right? Here we go. From 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Top, top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 8, and 5, 6. Back. Go 1, 2, and 3, and D, D, I, geek, woo. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 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 zoom. Ka. Hey, great job today, you guys, and I cannot wait to see your covers of this dance. So make sure you upload them once you get it down. Tag me so I can find them. And also go check out dncr.com. There's monthly challenges, tutorials, live streams, Q&As, all types of stuff to help you guys grow as dancers. But the best part about it, like I said, is really the community. Dancers from all over the world coming together, helping each other grow, supporting each other, hyping each other up on their videos. Like, it's just such great positive energy. I'm so grateful that we have this platform to be able to share and grow together. So go check out DNCR. Either way, I'll see you guys back here for another tutorial real soon.